How to get effective AI content generation done on Fiverr for your blog or ads. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. If you're trying to build your own blog or your own ad campaign and you're using AI generated content, you know that building a cohesive story with AI is no easy task. Instead of having to spend months and weeks by yourself, you can simplify this process by hiring an AI content generator. These experts know how to build quality prompts that are going to yield perfect results and are able to generate content according to your brand story. So, no longer do you have to give Gemini all the commands or try to figure it out with ChatGPT. Instead, you can head on over into Fiverr. Once you head on over into Fiverr, you can search for AI content generation. This includes creating avatars, content, written content, giving you prompts, as well as generating images and videos. So, all areas and aspects of your brand are going to be covered. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you want AI generated content without doing it yourself, click on the check cut. Check the Fiverr freelancer in the description down below. Thanks for watching.